Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for jobs by using filters on the Totaljobs application, thereby narrowing down your search. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Find button down below and click on Filters. Here you should tap on Date Posted and select the relevant one that you want to choose, such as last 24 hours, 3, 7 or 14 days. Then you can also narrow down your recruiter, such as any company, agency or direct employer. You can select the job types you're interested in, such as permanent, temporary, part-time or contract. And also the salary can be indicated annually, daily or hourly. And here are the salary options. If you are done with applying those filters or selecting them, you can actually apply them by tapping on this button down below, Apply Filters, and then you will be able to check out all of the results according to your set preferences. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.